Hello, and welcome to another CAD Swift user guide video. In this video, we will detail how to use our unique Component Catalogues feature. All interaction with the catalogues happens from within the object settings, via the catalog panels. All catalog panels exist on the Component Catalogues and Assemblies page, conveniently organized into 4 categories. They also exist on the component-specific pages in the side panel on the left. Hence, you can access the catalog while viewing the component settings. There are several functions in the catalog panels, so let's look at them all in detail. Item 1 is the component type icon, which is also a link to the components page, providing quick navigation from the panel to the relevant component. Item 2 is the download button to retrieve the latest updates to the catalog. You click this button after uploading a new item, or when switching to a different catalog to retrieve its contents. Item 3 is the chosen catalog. You can access and create multiple catalogs. This element appears grayed when no component is selected. Like Item 4, which is the CAD Swift component symbol. If clicked, it will unlock the component from the applied catalog item, ready for modifying. Item 5 is the catalog item selection function. This can be represented as a large image or minimized to the name only using the Hide Images button. Item 6 shows the catalog as a tiled menu rather than a drop-down for easier selection. The final 3 items only appear if the configurator password is entered, enabling you to modify the catalogs. Item 7 is the Upload button for when you want to save your settings to the catalog. It is replaced by the Delete button when a catalog item is selected. Clicking the Delete button will delete the selected item. Item 8 is the name you want to give your saved configuration. Item 9 locks or unlocks the component to the applied configuration. Item 10. Some components have options for what information is stored. In the panel arrangement component, there is the option to lock or unlock the sizes. This means you can store a panel arrangement that either is or is not size dependent. In the 3D settings, you can nominate whether you are locking the pens or the surfaces or both. Now that you know the catalog panel, let's look at a typical process. Project team members will open infinite openings with the catalogs preloaded. All they must do is select the necessary configurations and place them throughout the project. If you have an extensive catalog, then this will be the extent of the required process for the team members. Hence, this process could only get faster if we removed the human aspect. When project-wide design changes are required, a team leader uses the configurator's password to access the catalog panel's configuration functions. Now, they can unlock the element they want to change, make the required modifications, and overwrite the catalog item using the Upload button. Hit download to retrieve the updated catalog, and it's done. If a new component is required, you simply provide the name and upload to send it to the catalog. You can then apply this new component to the necessary assemblies. We have achieved unparalleled capability and efficiency through our unique Component Catalogues feature.